Is your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max overheating or experiencing poor battery life? The primary culprit is often background app activity. Apps running in the background consume CPU, GPU, and battery resources even when you're not actively using them. Features like background app refresh allow apps to constantly update content, while location services and push notifications keep your phone working. Push notifications also contribute to the issue. The A18 Bionic chip's advanced AI features, like real-time language processing for Siri, also contribute to battery drain. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step to fixing these issues. To improve your iPhone 17's performance, manage background app settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh, and disable it for non-essential apps like social media platforms. Check app permissions in Settings, then Privacy, and limit location services to while using or disable them entirely for certain apps. Enable low power mode in Settings, then Battery to reduce background activity. Close unused apps manually by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Consider using Offload unused apps in Settings, then General, then iPhone storage to free up RAM. For apps known to cause issues, like gaming apps, disable background app refresh specifically for those apps. Applying these fixes can significantly extend battery life and reduce overheating.